Did you know that cinnamon is so much more than just a spice that adds flavor to your favorite desserts? Yes, cinnamon. That aromatic spice that makes your apple pies and cinnamon rolls taste heavenly. But it's not just a culinary delight. It's a treasure chest of health benefits, a fact that has been recognized for thousands of years. Believe it or not, cinnamon is one of the oldest known spices, with a rich history dating back to the times of the ancient Egyptians and Chinese. Both these civilizations revered cinnamon for its medicinal properties, using it in various treatments and remedies. Fast forward to today, and modern science is just catching up, unraveling the many health benefits hidden in this humble spice. From controlling blood sugar to boosting brain health, cinnamon holds a world of potential. So let's delve into the powerful health benefits of this wonder spice. Cinnamon has been found to have properties that help control blood sugar levels. This wonderful spice isn't just for adding a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes, it's also a powerful tool in maintaining your health. Cinnamon's ability to manage blood sugar levels is a significant benefit, particularly for those dealing with type 2 diabetes. It does this by improving the sensitivity of cells to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. When cells become more responsive to insulin, blood sugar levels can be better controlled, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes that can wreak havoc on your energy and mood. Moreover, cinnamon can lower blood sugar by slowing down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. This means that after a meal, blood sugar rises at a slower rate, helping to maintain a steady energy level. So, cinnamon isn't just a sweet addition to your morning oatmeal, it's also a natural, delicious way to manage your blood sugar. That's not all, cinnamon has more to offer. Cinnamon does not only sweeten your food, but also your heart's health. This warm, aromatic spice has proven to be a heart's best friend. It's not just about the taste, it's about what it does beneath the surface, in the very lifeblood of your body. Research indicates that cinnamon can reduce levels of bad cholesterol, known as LDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, all while keeping the good cholesterol, HDL, stable. Imagine that, a spice that helps balance the good and the bad, like a health-conscious tightrope walker. LDL cholesterol and triglycerides are like the villains in a comic book, contributing to heart disease by clogging up your arteries. But never fear, cinnamon is here. This superhero spice sweeps in, reducing these harmful elements and making it easier for your heart to do its job. In essence, cinnamon is a little like a heart mechanic, fine-tuning your internal engine to keep it running smoothly. It's a simple addition to your diet that brings profound benefits. A healthy heart is a happy heart, and cinnamon can help achieve that. Inflammation is your body's way of fighting infection, but sometimes it can get out of control. This is where cinnamon steps in. Imagine a natural, everyday spice that you probably have in your kitchen right now, stepping up to support your body's defenses. That's precisely what cinnamon does. It's not just a sweet and aromatic addition to your favorite dishes. Cinnamon is packed with potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. It's like having a mini army at your disposal, ready to combat inflammation at a moment's notice. When inflammation is kept in check, your body can focus on other vital functions, like digestion and circulation. It's like clearing out a traffic jam, allowing everything to flow smoothly once more. This makes cinnamon a valuable ally in maintaining your overall health. So next time you're cooking or baking, remember that a sprinkle of cinnamon does more than just add flavor. So cinnamon can be your little helper in maintaining a healthy body. Brain health is of utmost importance, and cinnamon can contribute to that. This humble spice, often relegated to the back of your kitchen cabinet, has been associated with a reduced risk of neurological disorders. Yes, you heard it right. Cinnamon and brain health go hand in hand. Research suggests that two compounds found in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, and epicatechin, may inhibit the buildup of a protein called tau. Tau is notorious for its role in Alzheimer's, as it clumps together to form disruptive tangles in the brain. By impeding tau's accumulation, cinnamon might have the potential to protect against this debilitating disease. Likewise, cinnamon's natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties might be beneficial in managing Parkinson's disease. On a cellular level, these properties could help shield neurons from damage and even improve motor function. While we still need more research to fully understand the extent of cinnamon's neurological benefits, what we know so far is promising. Cinnamon helps in keeping your brain functioning at its best. Cinnamon might have potential in the fight against cancer. This warm, aromatic spice that's a staple in our kitchen cabinets could be a secret weapon against one of the most feared diseases. Studies suggest that cinnamon may have cancer-fighting properties. Researchers have found that cinnamon extract induces apoptosis, a process that destroys cancer cells and prevents them from spreading. Additionally, the cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon has been shown to inhibit the growth of tumors and protect DNA from damage. The antioxidant properties of cinnamon also play a crucial role in its potential cancer-fighting abilities. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the development of cancer. It's important to note, however, that while these findings are promising, they are still in the early stages. Further research and clinical trials are needed to fully understand the extent of cinnamon's potential in cancer prevention. While more research is needed, cinnamon shows promise in this critical area of health. Cinnamon is not just for your taste buds, but it also fights against harmful bacteria. This common spice packs a powerful punch in the battle against microbial infections. A key player in this fight is cinnamon oil, a potent substance that has shown promising results in scientific studies. One of these studies focused on respiratory tract infections caused by fungi. These infections can be severe, especially for those with weakened immune systems. However, cinnamon oil has proven to be a formidable adversary against these fungi. It suppresses their growth, effectively treating the infection and providing much-needed relief to the sufferer. This antimicrobial property of cinnamon is not limited to fungi. It also combats other harmful microbes, keeping your body's bacterial balance in check. So the next time you sprinkle cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or your evening chai, remember, you're not just adding flavor, but also fortifying your health. Cinnamon, a spice and an antimicrobial warrior. Want a natural way to freshen your breath? Cinnamon can help. Now, let's delve into how this magical spice can boost your oral health. Cinnamon is a powerhouse of antibacterial properties, making it an effective weapon against harmful bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria are the culprits behind tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. When you consume cinnamon, its active compounds spring into action, attacking these bacteria and keeping them from damaging your teeth and gums. But that's not all. Cinnamon's warm, spicy aroma can also help to neutralize bad breath, leaving your mouth feeling fresher. So, whether it's in your toothpaste, mouthwash, or just a pinch in your tea, cinnamon can play a vital role in maintaining your oral health. It's not just about the sweet taste or the warm aroma, it's about a healthier, happier smile. So cinnamon can also keep your smile bright and fresh. Cinnamon can also contribute to healthy and glowing skin. Now that's a statement that might surprise you, but it's true. Cinnamon, with its antibacterial and antifungal properties, can be a potent weapon in your skincare arsenal. It's not just about the sweet aroma, it's about the power packed within this humble spice. Acne and skin infections can be a real nuisance, causing discomfort and affecting self-confidence. But cinnamon has the potential to combat these issues. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight off the bacteria causing acne, leading to clearer skin. Additionally, it can also help with skin infections, reducing their severity and helping your skin heal faster. But that's not all. Cinnamon also helps to stimulate blood vessels and bring blood to the surface of the skin, resulting in a natural, healthy glow. So, the next time you think about skincare, don't just think about expensive creams and lotions. Think about the natural power of cinnamon. For a radiant skin, consider cinnamon. Cinnamon can be a part of your weight loss journey. This common spice, often used to flavor our favorite treats, can also assist us in shedding those extra pounds. Here's how. When we consume high-fat meals, our bodies experience an increase in glucose levels and antioxidant stress. Cinnamon, with its potent antioxidant properties, can help mitigate these negative effects. It reduces the oxidative stress and helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which in turn can curb overeating due to erratic sugar spikes and dips. Additionally, cinnamon has been found to increase metabolism in the fat cells. It helps the body to process carbohydrates more efficiently, which could have a direct impact on weight loss. But remember, while cinnamon may help in weight management, it's not a magic bullet. It should be complemented with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimum results. So, cinnamon can be your ally in weight management. As we have seen, cinnamon is more than just a spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, each one as potent as the other. Let's circle back to the beginning. The surprising benefits of this humble spice start with its ability to control blood sugar levels, making it a friend to those with diabetes. It then moves to promoting heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and triglyceride levels. The anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon help in soothing internal inflammation, while its positive effects on brain health contribute to improved cognitive function and reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Cinnamon's potential in cancer prevention and its antimicrobial effects cannot be undermined. This spice also packs a punch when it comes to oral and skin health, actively fighting off bacteria and promoting clear, healthy skin. And let's not forget its role in weight loss, aiding metabolism, and reducing the visceral fat. So next time you sprinkle cinnamon, remember you're not just adding flavor, but also boosting your health.